Open it.
Derek. He came in. Chrome. See those resonated?
No. It's clean. Are you happy, son?
Oh yeah, just wait till we fucking slap around.
Yeah, that's it. There it is. This is gonna be on that car soon.
Your boy JTC. The beginning right here. My boy Tim, go check him out. Getting me on the game right here.
That's right.
Step one.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install Jacob's exhaust today. Where it goes under the thing. No, it goes right here. See right there?
Yeah.
Boom. Make sure it's right in the middle. It's right in the middle, right? That's good. A little bit more. Right there. Now lower it. Slowly. Boom. And get the other side, same process. All right, we got the exhaust off. We just got it off right now, straight down pipe. All we need to do is just get the resonator off, unbox the new one. Huh.
Big gravy. No stock on the TC.
She's coming. All right, this is like a tradition that everyone does. They always cold start it. I did. All we need to do is put it together. Yeah. It's basically this right here, without all that. With all that.
Come through. The TC. No check engine.
No.
No.
It sounds good.
She sounds good, huh?
Pops.
Camaro made my day.
By yoking it?
Yeah.